So I'm replacing the throttle body and the throttle body sensor on the Chevy Malibu, the 3.5. So you got to unscrew this cap, and then this just pops right off. There's the little tabs. So yeah, you do have to unscrew the cap and then take it off and then put the cap back on. And then take off this housing here. There's this clamp, and then right here I already took the nut out, and then unclamp this here. Get that loose, and then pull that off. And I'll see if I can do this with one hand here. Oh, and then yeah, this too here pops. The little tab you gotta push, pull that off. I gotta loosen it more. Come on. Alright. And then get this fucking thing out of the way. So then this is the throttle body. It's a 6-pin. It'd probably be smart to disconnect the battery. I don't want to clear my codes right now, so I'm just gonna... So then there's the plug here. You gotta pop that back and then unplug it. It's a 6-pin. So then there's 10mm bolt, 10mm bolt, and then there's... I already have these off. This hooks on, these two little things that goes on there, and then they're held on by 10mm nuts. So you take off this nut, pull these two things off that pin and that pin, and then it'll open. Then you can see these two nuts on the pin here and there. Then you got to take those off and then unscrew these 10mm, and then it'll come right off. So it's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna unscrew that here. So this is my new one. This is the sensor. You can replace just the sensor, but I did that and it still didn't work, so I just got the whole assembly instead. So that's what the new one looks like. And then yeah, there's the 4 bolt holes that hold it on.